Why buy storage baskets when you can make one from trash to treasure in just few steps? Here is a clever way to reuse old fabric. Let's turn this old fabric into something beautiful and useful. First, I'm cutting cardboard to create a strong base. Now, I'm covering the cardboard with the fabric for a neat finish. Now I'm carefully shaping it into round basket form. To make the base, I'm tracing a circle on another piece of cardboard. Wrap jute rope to create this beautiful base. Trim the extra fabric for a neat finish and watch it how it starts taking shape. Adding jute rope for a rustic touch. Secure the jute rope with a tape. Now tightly braid this twine together to create a base sturdy. Next, wrap a strip of white floral lace around the rim. Now, top the lace with braided jute rope border for the perfect boho chic look. Finally, write a custom tag to give it that handmade charm. Glue the tag onto the front to finish the piece. And that's it. A beautifully crafted boho organizer made from scratch. Comment below and tell me what you would store inside this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy DIYs. See you next time.